And we're going to base our picture on the ocean, aren't we?
Yay!
So the pouring paints are all going to be on Savannah's. And Savannah's going to do it. So you want Savannah?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Pour it in on the canvas. Oh. Okay, so the canvas is done. It's blue, like the sea, like you wanted. Now we're going to pour some paints. So you want to start off with the purple? Shall I pour it in for you? Okay, be careful. It's still wet.
We've got Sonic Roll, purple and white.
Okay. Right. Remember, this is still wet. Okay. Now, do what you think looks nice. Okay. Ready? Go on then. Okay. Okay. Don't jump. Okay. Right. Careful.
Okay, first. Mommy, I want to do mine.
Let's help the colours move. Okay, so we're going to let this dry. So far it looks really nice. It'll take a day. So we'll see everyone soon, yeah?
Hello boys and girls. Today this is our picture. I love it.
So this is your final picture. You let it dry for a few days. And it's not that bad, is it? Do you really like it? Do you want to hold it for me? Good job, Savannah. I love your painting. Well done.
It's for you.
It's for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.